My name's Haley, and today I'm joined by Sean and James to talk a little bit more about the technologies that we use every day within our facilities. So this first question is going to be for Sean. So Sean, what would you say is the biggest difference between the pressed glass production process in comparison to the other production facilities in our area?
So the production technology that we're using every day is like none other in our area. Is state-of-the-art, utilizing machinery from Germany, Italy, Finland, all working together, that our glass never has to touch a human hand until it's fully tempered.
All right, and James, this next question is for you. So the technology that we use here, would you say that it was difficult to learn or use?
I would say at first it could be very intimidating, but once you truly get your hands on the equipment and the technology and use it, you become very comfortable with it over time.
So in your role on the floor, James, how does technology help you do your job?
It helps a lot of things. It helps keep all of us safe for the most part, using lifts and even PPE. You could really consider technology. And tracking units throughout the plant using Vision, being able to fix minor or major label problems, anything wrong with our buffer system, anything like that. We can usually the technology really helps us out a lot.
All right, Sean, do you have anything to add to that?
Absolutely. At the end of James's line, it goes into like a little bit of a sorting area where guys actually make sure the glass is ready and it's in a row and it's exactly stacked the way it needs to feed our insulated glass line, which is probably the longest one for hundreds of miles from here. So that we have an Osprey scanning system from Light Solutions that actually will detect any type of defects in the tempering process. If you've ever worn polarized sunglasses and looked at the back windshield or a building facade and saw these little black blobs or dots or anything, that's the anisotropy line spots. And so that's what caused our side effect of tempering process.
Helps provide for a satisfied customer.
Yeah.
Awesome. So this last question is for the both of you. So James, we'll start with you. What would you say is the best part about working at Press Glass?
Well, I can say that I've been working in manufacturing since I was 18 years old, and now that I'm 26, I can say that this is probably one of the better places that I've had the opportunity to work at. And between the people that I work with, the job that I do, the job really I wouldn't say is that complicated. If anything, it challenges you in a very easy to medium to hard type of way. It's very however much you want to do, you can do if you really put your mind to it. I've met a lot of people, especially Polish individuals I've never met in my entire life. Met Europeans, talked to them, learned their culture and how they see the world and everything. And for a small area like this, I think having a company here is very good, not just for the now, but much later into the future, because you could have people's kids, one day work at Press Glass. Generations of people could end up working at Press Glass.
All right, Sean, so what would you say is the best part of working at Press Glass for you?
If I had to even give you one word, it's opportunity. I mean, there's just limitless opportunities for production floor guys. You've got operators, you've got operators' assistants, you've got CNC work being done. So any type of milling, our area has a few of those things in wood. We can transition to glass, no problem. There's growth. There's more growth coming. And just to kind of lean on James a little bit and say that, our area, it's been battered a little bit with manufacturing back in the old textile and furniture business days, and to see a fresh company like Press Glass come into our area, swoop us up with a little cape on, provide so many great paying jobs and great opportunities, it's insurmountable. Put it into words.
A job being a part of the community isn't really as much of a thing anymore, but I think that should be something that jobs should start to try to get more towards, which is being more community oriented, because we all work together every day.
Absolutely.
So